October the 4th, 2023. We're boarding now Ryanair flight departing from Copenhagen International Airport headed to Edinburgh International Airport, Scotland, the United Kingdom. This is one of the aircraft I already described in my previous videos. More or less the same, a little bit a newer model, better maintained than the same type of prototype. Double engine, Rolls-Royce type with McDonnell Douglas propellers, and capacity on board around 220 passengers. Tonight is a bit in delay because of unknown circumstances. So, Ryanair flight. I will record some videos on board and I hope you will enjoy the flight.